Abandoned vehicles, illegal parking, unclaimed shanties, and debris are what normally found under most of this city's flyovers. However, the flyover stretch alongside the Senapati Bapat Marg in Lower Parel has a different story to tell. Gifting yet another block of open space to the congested city, the refurbished area beneath the flyover at Senapati Bapat Marg in bustling Lower Parel is now open to public. In a press conference held last week, an initiative for the refurbishment of under the flyover space was offered a go-ahead by Shiv Sena MLA Sunil Shinde.
मैं खुद को भाग्यशाली समझता हूँ क्योंकि इनका एक ब्यूटिफिकेशन का सबसे पहला प्रोजेक्ट मेरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में हो रहा है। लोकल रेसिडेंट्स की कल्चर प्रोग्राम हो या उनकी एक अलग अपनी परंपरा है, इस सबको ध्यान में रखते हुए आगे के हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे, जिसकी वजह से इस वर्ले की शान और बढ़ेगी, इस मुंबई की शान और बढ़ेगी।
The idea is to beautify all the spaces under the flyovers, to make them public spaces for residents, people who live in the chawls, people during the day in the office areas to come and spend time or just use the space.
The beautified 1.3 kilometer stretch under the flyover has been revamped to a utility area, boasting an array of services from shared taxi bays to concrete seating and pedestrian pathways.
Lower Parel has a lot of infrastructural problems and they were never being taken care of while all these buildings came up. So I'm so happy that the residents and the corporates here have all come together to fix all these problems.
Well, it's a nice thing that Mr. Shinde has started off with, and I think it's great to have something like this in a corporate area.
म्हणजे आता जे कॉर्पोरेटमध्ये काम करतात, ऑफिसमध्ये काम करतात, ते लंच झाल्यानंतर किंवा टी ब्रेकमध्ये येऊन जरा थोडं इथे रिलॅक्स करू शकतात.
लाखों लोग डेली ट्रैवल करते, ट्रैवलिंग के टाइम उनको कुछ तकलीफ आई या कुछ बीमारी आई, गाड़ी खराब हो गई या किसी का वेट करने, तो यहाँ पे आके रुक सकते.
ब्रेकिंग झोन हो गया है.
जागा अशी उपलब्ध झाली की शांतता असते, सावली असते. सगळ्यात मोठा इश्यू म्हणजे सावली आम्हाला मिळते.
We always wanted a place where we can sit, relax and chit-chat in free time.
With phase 1 also, our idea is that more and more people will appreciate and accept this idea, and there will be a lot of support coming in for the future phases.
As we call it Golden Mile, what formerly we were calling, and it's now Mumbai Mile. So seeing this, I'm sure all over the city of Mumbai, they will also have some chances of opening their space.
A world-class live, work, recreate project, the Mumbai Mile is a classic example of urban upliftment. Inaugurated by Mr. Sunil Shinde, the member of Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra, the city's first phase of Mumbai Mile is now open to all Mumbaikars. With camera person Venkatesh Bakle, this is Pratiksha Karkera at the Mumbai Mile for Industry Update.